about the videos. City dog play.
Yeah.
Next to a huge highway.
Right.
That's the one thing that gets me really anxious because I'm just not sure he's.
Oh,
wait,
no.
stop.
Stop.